Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now look at this. I'm going to show you how to do this. It's just a one row repeat and you get this really pretty piece of crochet. It's really nice done in any kind of variegated yarn. You can use just a one colour yarn if you want. This is a one row repeat. Really easy for beginners. Use the hook size it tells you on the yarn that you've chosen. Now if you use a thick yarn and a big hook, this will grow super fast. So for this stitch, use any number of stitches, any number. So I've done a little sample. Now we're going to do a base row first. We're going to set up the pattern. So we're going to do a base row. Keeps your base row nice and neat. Into the second stitch, you're going to put a single crochet. One into each stitch in your chain. So once you're at the end, you're going to pull your loop up, turn your work and do a single crochet into the first stitch. Now you'll put a single crochet into the first and the last stitch of every row. Now what you're going to do now is into the back loop. So that's your stitch and you're going into the back loop. Pull your stitch forward, you're going to put yarn over and come through that first loop, yarn over and come through both. You go to the next stitch, we're doing an extended single crochet into the back loop. Pull your yarn through, yarn over through one stitch, yarn over and through both the loops. Into the back loop, pull your yarn through, yarn over through one loop, yarn over through two loops, all the way along. And this is a row you'll keep repeating. Pull up a loop, turn your work, and then we're going to do the back loop only again. And that is the row you'll keep repeating. So just pick up the back loop only, pull through, yarn over through the one loop, yarn over and through both loops. Pick up the next back loop, pull through, yarn over through one loop, yarn over through two. Now I'm at my last stitch again and I'm going right through and catch both loops of that stitch. Pull a loop up and turn and go into the very first space, the very first stitch. Now back into the back loops, and that is the row you will keep repeating. Really easy for beginners. A nice different pattern with a lovely easy stitch. And this is what you'll end up with. This is really pretty, isn't it? So please subscribe to the channel. Just click on that subscribe button, and if you click on the bell icon, YouTube will tell you when we put up another tutorial. So until the next time, happy crafting, and I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.